Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2013 Kia Sorento EX, stock number Z7639XA. 74,000 miles and there's one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Snow white pearl in color. The Sorento is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seat 7 with a leather interior. Middle row seats fold flat for additional cargo space and tumble forward, making it easy to get to the third row. That seats 2. Backup camera along with rear parking sensors. 50-50 split folding rear seat. Folds flat easily. Give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This EX has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, upgraded Infinity sound system, power driver's seat along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Push button start. Large, easy to read gauges. Steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel. Cruise control. Large touchscreen infotainment system. For navigation. Radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control with heated front seats. USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, auto dimming mirror with home link transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, the Sorento is a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, 191 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimate an average of 21 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 29 on the highway, and approximately 60% of the tire tread left. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.